How to see drafts on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how to see your drafts on Instagram. So without any delay, let's just jump right into it and see how can we see our drafts on Instagram. For that, go ahead and open up your Instagram, and once you are logged in, you'll be finding this interface on your screen. So the next step you need to apply up in order to see your drafts on Instagram is very easy. Just swipe left on your screen, on your home screen of your Instagram. Once you're here, go ahead and tap on your picture, this picture section in the bottom left corner of your screen. And once you are here, you'll be finding your picture. Along with that, on the above section, you'll be finding drafts, music, templates, and photos. So since we are looking for drafts, just go ahead and tap on drafts. And if you have any drafts, you will be finding it right here. So that is it. That is how you find up your drafts on your Instagram, by following up this method for now. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.